Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 installation error 0x8007007f. First, make sure your PC has enough free storage. Open File Explorer and check your system drive. You should have at least 20 to 30 gigabytes of free space. If storage is low, delete unused files or move them to another drive. After that, restart your computer. Now download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant from the official Microsoft website. Once the download is complete, do not open it normally. Right-click the Installation Assistant file and select Run as administrator. This step is very important because the installer needs full permissions to upgrade the system. Follow the on-screen steps and see if the error is fixed. If the error still appears, use the ISO method. Download the Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft. After the download finishes, open File Explorer and double-click the ISO file to mount it. You will see it appear as a new drive. Try running the setup from there. This method often works better because it runs the upgrade locally instead of downloading files during setup. If the installation still fails, repair system files. Click on Start, type ncnd, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. In the command window, type sfc/scanno and press Enter. Wait until the scan finishes. This process checks and fixes corrupted system files. When it is done, restart your PC and try the installation again. Following these steps usually fixes the error and allows Windows 11 to install correctly. Thanks for watching.